A factory reset restores your phone by deleting all data, including contacts, call logs, texts, apps, and settings. To avoid losing everything, you'll want to back up your Android before resetting. Way 1. Back up Android phone before factory reset in one tap. Painless. Mobican Backup Manager for Android is a trusted tool for backing up and restoring Android data. Featured in My Download, it lets you securely back up your phone to your computer before a factory reset. Step 1. Launch, download, and install this tool on your computer. Open the program and connect your Android phone to the computer using a USB cable or through Wi-Fi. Ensure USB debugging is enabled when prompted. Step 2. Choose once your connected device is detected by the software. Click on the Backup option on the main interface to access the Android data backup window. Select the file types you want to back up by ticking the checkboxes next to them. Step 3. Initiate. After selecting the desired data types, click on Browse to specify a location for saving the backup files. Then, click on the Backup button at the bottom right to initiate the backup process for your Android data. Way 2. Backup phone before factory reset via Assistant for Android. Back up your phone data to a PC or Mac with one click using Mobican Assistant for Android. It lets you choose files or back up everything with easy restore after a reset. It supports transferring contacts, SMS, videos, apps, and more. Step 1. Open the program and link your Android device to a computer using a USB cable. If prompted, enable USB debugging on your phone. Step 2. Follow the on-screen guide to have the program detect your Android device. Once completed, you'll arrive at the main interface. Step 3. Select Super Toolkit from the top menu bar on the main interface. This action will take you to the next screen, where you'll find the Backup and Restore buttons. Step 4. Click on Backup. Simply check the types you wish to back up. Designate a location for saving the backed up files, and click Backup to store your Android files on the computer eventually. With this software, select file types from the left panel, preview them, check the boxes, and click Export to back up your files to your PC or Mac. Way 3. Backup media before factory reset Android with MeTP. Connect your phone via USB and select Transfer Files MeTP mode. Your computer will recognize your phone. Go to My Computer. Find your files in the SD card or internal memory, open DSIM, and copy the audio or video files to your PC. Way 4. Backup Android phone before resetting via Google One. Go to Settings, Backup and Reset, or Backup and Restore. Turn on Backup by Google One and tap Backup Now. The button will disable during backup. Check data usage in Account Storage and view backup details below. Way 5. Backup Android before factory reset using Google Photos. Open the Google Photos app on your smartphone. Tap the menu button 3 lines and choose Settings. Select Backup and Sync and enable it from the following screen. Way 6. Backup Android phone before factory reset free by Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and PC. Then pair them. In File Manager on your phone, select Files, tap Send, and choose Bluetooth. Your backup will be in the Bluetooth folder on your PC. Way 7. Backup Android phone before factory reset via G-Cloud Backup. On your Android device, navigate to the Google Play Store and locate G-Cloud Backup. Once the app is installed, set up a new account, launch the app and choose the items you wish to back up, such as contacts, messages, etc. Way 8. Backup Android phone before factory reset Samsung via Smart Switch. Download Smart Switch, uninstall Android file transfer Mac. Connect your phone, let Smart Switch scan your Samsung. Click Backup and tap Allow on your phone to begin.